1. Start.
Come on, ladies, you can do it! All right, we're 15 seconds into it already. Come on, you're doing so good. Use that core, get into the zone. Does it feel good? You're doing real good. Yes. Come on, ladies, we're halfway there now. You're almost there. You can do it. Get into that zone. Focus. Use that core. And in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies, wait up. So today we're here for the Puma Do You Plank Challenge, and it is a campaign that we've been working on for the past couple of months, and it's really about recognizing your inner strength and really giving it all you can, because we all go through moments in life where we question our beliefs and our focus and our dreams, and I think this is a plank, but it goes a lot more deeper than that, and that's what we wanted to show people today, that they are capable of doing so much more than they believe they can. पहले क्या? हाँ, पहले actually आज कुछ नहीं prepare किया क्योंकि आज Sunday है, लेकिन plank, I mean, बहुत टाइम से करती हूँ, और it's an exercise which is amazing, सिर्फ outer strength के लिए नहीं, लेकिन inner strength के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. So yeah, it was an amazing thing that we were doing the plank today with so many different girls, and it was like such an amazing moment of girl power for everyone. Yes. That's the thing. I think like for me, it's a very, very proud moment, because we were able to encourage so many women and girls and of all different ages to come here today. Like I even got my mom to do the plank, and you know, she found it really difficult, but she did it. And that's the thing. It was not about showing off your strength, but it was showing off your mental strength today. And we were able to achieve that a lot with all these amazing, inspiring women with us today. What?
One move for our audience.
A move?
Yeah.
लेकिन plank अभी किया तो yeah, and you saw my yoga move, so I can. Absolutely. I think, you know, the most important thing about strength, and you know, for women, men, everywhere, this is something which has no gender discrimination, and it is important for me, and the reason why I encourage it to all of my friends or people that I know is because the minute you have strength, you've achieved a certain amount of discipline in your life. And that is really, really important, because it helps you achieve so much more, that whatever you put your mind to, because it includes pain, it includes discipline, it includes, you know, sacrifice. And these are very, very important things that you have to learn in life. And fitness helps you get there. So for whoever you are, I mean, like gender, sex, caste, whatever you are, like religion, fitness is something that has no boundaries, you know, so it is important. Thank you guys. Thank you.
अरे हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, अभी 20 मिनट लगेगा रिजल्ट्स आने के लिए, और हमको पता चलेगा अगर हमने रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया कि नहीं, और फिर एक दूसरा अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग टाइम है, नर्वस टाइम है, और लग रहा है कि हमने छोड़ दिया, मतलब सबने अच्छा से किया. इट वाज वेरी इजी, I think the amount of people that have showed up is just really, really amazing.
कल की कितनी तैयारी की आपने इस अटेम्प्ट के लिए, आज के लिए?
मतलब प्लैंक्स तो मैं करती हूँ मेरे वर्कआउट में, तो ऐसा नहीं है कुछ खास चीज़ कर रही हूँ, लेकिन जो अच्छा चीज़ है ये है कि सब लोग आए, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्ड तोड़ सकते हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ नंबर ऑफ पीपल. इट्स नॉट कि हम बहुत लंबे तक प्लैंक कर रहे हैं, बट जितना लोग आ रहे हैं, मतलब दैट इज़ द रियल लाइक record break. Yeah, I mean it's great. It's an all-women record. It's that we're trying to break, and women from all over India have come and traveled to be here for this today. So it's fantastic.
Qualifications and the number we have that you've achieved today is 1623.